Hello, my lovely people. You are welcome back to my channel. I greet you according to your time and according to the time you are seeing this video. How are you doing? I hope you are good. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are viewing from and when you are seeing this video. My correct people, I don't carry another obonge. This one na obonge tori. You see one thing about this life. I don't know whether if what everybody is saying is true. Concerning this palace matter, na im be say wahala. So my correct
kasala.
people, allegedly, we are hearing that what Olori Mariam and the Ronke told Queen Naomi concerning Oni of Ife and the return of Queen Naomi to the palace, and the thing no funny at all. In short, Queen Naomi is not even. Anyway, I don't know. Sometimes Queen Naomi don't need to listen to these Oloris because some of the things they are saying is just to scare Queen Naomi away from Oni of Ife. But the matter be say Queen Naomi sef, you don't know. At me, I don't know whether she want to go back to the palace or not. Because for her to accept, not that she did not accept, for her to be too close to this Ademiju to the extent of proposing to her, I think her mind no too dey for palace again, seriously. So my correct people, allegedly wetin we hear be say we heard that Olori Mariam and Ronke they don send message to Queen Naomi telling her that you see this thing Ooni of Ife saying that you are coming back to on June, abi by June. Abeg, no put your mind there at all. No put your mind because Ooni of Ife is not going to bring you back to the palace. In short, forget about palace. As I'm talking to you, forget about palace because that palace, no, you know, your hand no fit reach palace again. My correct people, I tell you, you see that Ronke and Mariam dey tell Queen Naomi say make she forget about palace. That no be today wey Ooni of Ife start dey tell am say you go come back today, you go come back tomorrow. Ooni of Ife have been telling her that you will come back. Remember that Ooni of Ife also told you that he's going to send us out of the palace. That this year January we are going to come into this palace. All of us will go leave. Now forget Ooni of Ife is a jealous lover. That Ooni of Ife will not watch us leave the palace. That he love all of us. Since you sef no even gree stay back to the palace, you leave the palace. Abeg forget about palace. Palace is no longer for you. Na for those wey wan stay. Correct pipo, see wetin dis pipo dey tell Queen Naomi o. Make she forget about palace. That palace is not for her again. Na dis one Ooni of Ife dey talk say im go send dem out. That he is not serious. That he just using sweet mouth on Queen Naomi so that Queen Naomi will not marry that man that he want to marry. You see? I don't just know. These people say, I don't know which kind yeye people be these people. I don't know whether they are telling Queen Naomi that so that Queen Naomi will be scared of coming back to the palace or what. I don't know. But my own be say, Ooni of Ife is not serious. How many people have talked about this palace issue with Ooni of Ife? A lot of advices, a lot of suggestions. Even Reverend Funke Adejumo too don send Ooni of Ife message concerning this issue of proposal because if Queen Naomi accept that proposal, and the one thing again is that the man is serious. The man want to leave Ooni of Ife for the man want to collect Queen Naomi from Ooni of Ife by fire by force. As long as Ooni of Ife is not serious, there is another person that is serious, very much serious. You see, my correct people, I don't know what una dey see for this matter o. But if actually it is true that Ooni of Ife is not ready to bring back Queen Naomi to the palace, I don't know what I go talk. It is going to be good that Ooni of Ife will let Queen Naomi go because Queen Naomi's time is going. If actually what Mariam and Ronke said, because the way they are saying it that they know Ooni of Ife, they know Kabiyesi. Kabiyesi is not going to bring you back to the palace. Forget about palace. If you know what is good for you, just forget about palace because you are not coming back to the palace. You are not coming back to the palace. Palace is no more for you. I was like, if palace is not for her again, Ademiju is for her. If palace cannot be for her and Ademiju will not also be for her. If Ooni of Ife know that he's not going to take it serious, he's not going to work hard, he's not going to forsake all other. One thing I notice about wedding is that when you are doing wedding in the church, you will say that I forsake all other, having only you behold you, love you, care for you in hardship and in plenty, in sickness and in health. If Oniofe cannot forsake all others and they bring back Queen Naomi to himself, let him forsake Queen Naomi and cleave with his 6 wives. Let another man take Queen Naomi, because you cannot eat your cake and still have it. As Reverend Funke Adejumo asked him, do you think you can eat your cake and have it? What makes you think that you can keep Queen Naomi forever? Queen Naomi have stayed and waited for you for so long. Every time, people will come and advise her, wait, more patient. Now, what we are waiting is June. If June reach, you do not do anything. She is even going to advise. Now, Adejumo dey talk o. She is even going to advise Queen Naomi to carry on with her life. That she cannot wait for you forever. She cannot wait for you forever. The thing is too much. Now, these people don't carry their own come dey tell Queen Naomi say make she no even think about palace again. I know that they are saying it just to scare her away, or just because they don't want her to come back. But if you look at what they are saying, it will look as if it is true, because Ooni of Ife is not ready to bring back Queen Naomi. See this June wey they talk about. Now, don't talk say I no tell you. June is coming. June will still come and pass. Ooni of Ife will still be playing Queen Naomi games. But then, if Queen Naomi people no do something, Queen Naomi herself go do something. Because that kind of woman wey no dey speak fast, she don't talk anyhow. If she want to act, will be like, is it Queen Naomi doing this? Because when Ooni of Ife called her and asked her, what do you want? Why do you want to leave me? She did not even open her mouth and say, bring me back, send these Oloris away. What she said was that Tadenika will need siblings. And of truth, Tadenika will need siblings. Tade have been asking the mother, Mommy, I need a sibling, I need siblings, I need people that I'll be playing with. Tade needs siblings. Not only that, make yourself always available for me. She did not even demand to come back to the palace. She did not demand that Ooni of Ife should send the Oloris away. She told Ooni of Ife that he should make himself available always. That is to show you that she have wisdom. So if Ooni of Ife is expecting that she will open her mouth and say, send these Oloris away, make him be saying na him talk am. No be you go and marry them. If you want to send them away, send them. If you no want send them, that one na your own cup of tea. She don tell you say make yourself available for her always. If you want to forsake your Oloris and come to live with her in the Lekki mansion, I think that would be better. My correct people, you see one thing about this palace matter is sometimes after saying it, or the things we are seeing that is happening in the palace, will be like, I'm tired of this palace matter. But we cannot be tired of it, because we are bloggers. We go to carry news they share with you. We go to tell you wetin dey sup for that palace matter. So we are not going to be tired of them. Just that the thing just dey annoy me, because this thing, the way they are treating Queen Naomi, just dey annoy me. If to say na Queen Naomi be dey on the benefit side, I go dey share una, I go dey give una tori, I go dey bring am front and back, up and down, everywhere for you. But Queen Naomi is the one that is suffering everything. Anyway, God will help her. Thank you, and don't forget that they are all alleged information. Love you guys. Bye.